everyone, Annie here with our February card kit. And this is our Your Groovy. It's kind of a retro little lava lamp. So in the kit, you're going to get your dies, a paper pad, and some sentiment stamps. So here is the die. It has the word Groovy, the mat for the word Groovy, the base outline of the lava lamp, the top and bottom pieces, the frame, and the little Kawaii face. The sentiment stamps that come with it is, it's hard to see. Let's see if that helps any better. Okay, it says your, so you could use it with the word die, your Groovy. I lava you, just go with the flow. You light me up, and life is groovier with you. So you can mix and match and make a whole bunch of a lot of fun different sentiments on your card for the lava lamp. The paper that it comes with is 2 of each page. So we have kind of like these retro flowers. Then we have these retro circles and some pretty funky colors. You have a solid blue, a solid reddish orange, kind of like a tomato orange-ish red, and then a lighter pink. So that is coordinating mostly with these papers here, as you can see. Okay, so you have the lighter pink that goes with the flowers, and then you have the blue, the pink, and this orangey color, orangey reddish color that goes with that. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 sheets of paper that comes with the kit. Obviously, you don't have to use the paper with this kit. You can use any papers that you have. So let's go ahead, get all my supplies ready, and I'll see you in the next segment. I totally forgot you also get these shaker bits in your kit. I took all the pieces out of the kit and I had these off to the side and forgot to show them. But you'll also get these little baubles as part of the kit. Okay, so jumping right in, I am taking the chipboard frame and I am gluing them in layers. I think I put 6 on. 6 layers of thin chipboard. That's going to make my wall to hold my shaker bits in my shaker card one that we're doing. And we are going to make it pretty girly. And now I'm going to be matting my card mat. And then I am placing this little mat on top. For the card, I put the Kawaii face in there, so I am just backing the underside with black and pink to give it this cute little face. And then I got some glue on there, so I have to erase the smudge. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put the bottom part of the lava lamp and the top part and glue that onto our base. And then we are going to glue our frame to the center. Now for the acetate, you're going to cut the full lava lamp shape out, glue on your top frame, and then cut away the acetate so it fits just on the part where your baubles are going to go. I glue that to the top of my card, put in some of my little shaker bits, and then I am going to glue my frame on. Then I'm just going to use the word die of Groovy, and I'm just going to glue that together. I didn't stamp out any of the sentiments, so I'm just going to have it say Groovy. Since I'm having it hang off of the lava lamp, I need to foam tape half of it in height that is equal to the chipboard layers. Some white gel pen, and there it's done. Now for the next card. I did it in blues. Again, I'm just assembling the pieces. I cut out random shapes for the lava in there. Then I cut out the excess of what hangs over. Adding in my gel pen, my Groovy, and just putting that on the card. So super cute and easy to put together. Enjoy, and we'll see you next time.